Hello Year 8. Today we are doing some more sketching of linear relationships using our table of values. But the equations that we're doing today have a small difference because they have a minus sign in front of our x. So we do it the same way. We type our question into our calculator. So ours says minus 3x minus 2. So we're going to have minus 3. Then we're going to need to times that by x, and x is minus 2. So that's my 3x. I still need to minus 2 from the equation, press equals, and I get 4. Okay, then I need to do that for each x value. So my next one is minus 3 times minus 1. Minus 2 is 1. Then I have minus 3 times 0, so change that to a 0. Minus 2 is minus 2. Minus 3 times 1, minus 2 is minus 5. Minus 3 times 2, minus 2 is negative 8. Then, let's do the second table while we're at it. Our second equation is y equals minus 4x plus 5. So for this one, we have a minus 4 times by x, but x is minus 2. Then I need to plus 5 equals 13. Now I want x to equal negative 1. So instead of negative 2 here, I change that to negative 1 and I get 9. Then I want minus 4 times 0, so change it to be a 0, plus 5 is 5. Minus 4 times 1 plus 5 is 1. And minus 4 times 2 plus 5 is negative 3. Okay, so now we want to draw up our Cartesian plane. So let's use our ruler. A vertical line and a horizontal line. Okay, arrows on the end so that we can put X and Y to label our axes. Counting up, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's plenty. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and minus 4, that's plenty. Positive numbers going up. Negative numbers going down on the lines. Okay, so let's plot them now. So for our first equation, y equals minus 3x minus 2, my first coordinate is minus 2, 4. So minus 2 on the x-axis up to a positive 4 and put across. The next one, minus 1, 1. X is minus 1 up to 1. Then 0 is down at minus 2. 1 is down at minus 5. And 2 is down at minus 8. We join that up. Nice straight line. Little bit longer than the dots so that we can put some arrows on there and label it. So that one was y equals minus 3x minus 2. So I'm going to change color for my second graph of y equals minus 4x plus 5. So the first point is minus 2, 13. So minus 2 plus 13, that's too big. So I can't fit that on my graph. Let's go to the next one. Minus 1, 9 up here. 0, 5, 1, 1, and 2 goes down to negative 3. Okay, line it all up. And that is y equals minus 4x plus 5. So what effect did those minus signs have? Well, maybe you remember last lesson when we drew our lines, our linear equations, they all were kind of going up. They were going up when we did them. These ones are coming down, so the minus ones make them slope downwards like that. Okay, let's try another one on the next page. Question 2, graph the equation of y equals minus x plus 1. So grab the calculator. We have a minus x, but x is minus 2. So I have minus from the equation, minus 2 that I'm putting in, plus 1 equals a 3. Now we want to put in negative 1. So I want minus from the formula, minus 1 plus 1 is 2. Then I want minus 0 plus 1 is 1. And you can see the pattern. Then I want minus 1 plus 1 is 0. And then I have a minus from the formula. And I want 2 plus 1 is negative 1. Let's fill in the second table. Y is equal to 2x is my equation, or actually minus 2x. So all that means is that I want to have minus 2 times by whatever my x value is. And my first x value is minus 2. So minus 2 times minus 2 is 4. Then I want minus 2 times minus 1, and that's 2. Then I want minus 2 times 0, which is 0. Minus 2 times 1 is minus 2, and minus 2 times 2 is minus 4. Drawing up the Cartesian plane. Oops. Arrows on the end, label the x-axis and the y-axis. Should be getting pretty good at drawing these up by now, I hope. The numbers in this one actually aren't too big. Okay, so that's probably big enough. So looking back at my tables of values, the first one, y is equal to minus x plus 1. My first point is minus 2, 3. So I go to minus 2, then up to 3, put across. The next point is minus 1, 2. The next one is 0, up to 1. Then x is 1, 0, and 2, negative 1. So again, our line is going down as we go across the page. That's because of that negative. So that is y equals minus x plus 1. Our second equation is y equals minus 2x. Plotting that, we had minus 2, 4. Then we had minus 1, 2. 0, 0. 1 goes down to negative 2. And 2 goes down to negative 4. Ruler again. Okay, nice, neat, straight line. Arrows on the end. This time I might write the equation down this end. Y equals minus 2x. Okay, so you've got some practice here. Exercise 3. Filling in the tables and drawing your Cartesian plane. So question 1, 2, 3, and then we'll be going on to something new next lesson.